Start by washing your hands thoroughly. Before you start putting Elvie Stride together, check that all the parts are clean and dry. It can be helpful to lay the parts out on a clean, dry surface. Push the valve into the breast shield. It's designed to work at any angle. Just take care not to twist or move it once it's in place. Milk can pool in the nipple tunnel if the valve is twisted open. Take the diaphragm and make sure it's completely dry before you put it on the breast shield. Use your fingers to work the rim of the diaphragm over the breast shield lip. Check the diaphragm is sitting flush and is on securely. You only need to remove the cup seal from the cup front once. This is when you clean and sanitize your pump for the first time. To put it back on the cup front, start by making sure the ridges are facing outwards. Fit the cup seal onto the cup front, making sure it is sitting in the groove all the way around. The cup is created by pushing the breast shield and cup front together. Center the arrow on the breast shield between the two alignment lines on the cup front. Now, push them together. Check that you can't see the cup seal above the frosted lip of the breast shield. If you can, separate the breast shield and cup front and try again. Before you attach the cap, make sure the diaphragm is completely dry. Push the cap into the cup until you feel it click into place. You can use the finger grips to rotate the cap in the cup. There's no need to remove the tube from the cap. To attach the hub to your clothes, you'll need to attach the cover and clip. Start by sliding the base of the hub into the cover. Make sure the hole for the hub connector matches up with the hole in the cover and that the clip slot is on the right. When the base is in place, slide the cover up and over the top of the hub. Push the short end of the clip through the slot in the cover. Pull it through to clip it into place. Before attaching the tubes, check that they are clean and dry. Residue or condensation can be drawn into the hub from the tubes, which could cause your pump to fail. If you ever see any milk or mold in the tubes, you should discard and replace immediately. Stop using your pump and contact customer care. You don't need to remove the tube from the hub connector or the base of the tube splitter. If they do become separated, just push the tube firmly back into each part. To pump single-sided, remove the unused short tube from the tube splitter. Seal the opening in the tube splitter with the stopper. Then push the hub connector firmly into the hub. If you ever feel you need some more help, please contact our customer care team.